Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. It has come to our notice that a lot of our customers are coming to us for cloud kitchen and group catering projects. Today, we would like to introduce to you about what is this new style of cloud kitchen and how does it benefit your business. So let's get started. All of your dishes will have a fixed cost, standard quality, and even more safer because they are all processed and cleaned together. Cloud Kitchen will improve your operational experience along with customer dining experience. On the next episode, by using this method, you will save 30% or more with just the raw materials. Not to mention that you no longer need a food processing area in all of your chains, which will save you labor and providing an upgrade space where you can make more dishes for more clients dining in and takeaways. With a cloud kitchen, you will buy all the raw materials with a wholesale price because you're buying these products in bulk. Comparing to buying some in the local market, you're buying everything at once. In the cloud kitchen, we can pre-made these ahead of time. The dough can be mixed a day ahead of time so they can have enough time to puffer and send to these shops while operating time. So they can save space for these shops and providing more consistent products. Imagine you're running several bakery shops. These bakery shops require them to get up early in the morning to mix the dough and wait hours for them to puffer before you can bake them. How can we maximize to use this space and to save time for our staffs? Here's another situation. Imagine chicken is more expensive in this part of town and fish is more expensive over there. How do we get a set price for all the meals if the cost is different? Imagine the market is running out of shrimp today. Do we take that off the menu or do we try to get shrimp in other ways that we can? Imagine corn is not fresh in this part of town. Imagine that some vegetables is not fresh in this part of town and steaks at the other part of the town is more dry and not as tender as it over here. How do we solve the problem of keeping all the dishes within the same standard? How do we make sure that customers get the same dining experience and the same plate quality no matter where they eat? This method will save time, space, and labor for all of these restaurants. This puts businesses in a very difficult situation. How to increase the productivity and efficiency without sacrificing kitchen space. How to save cost in staffs and materials while providing a consistent product for all of your customers. This is where Cloud Kitchen comes in. One facility that supplies half-processed raw materials to multiple chains nearby. A cloud kitchen will cut all the vegetables, wash all the vegetables, and process all the meats, like marinade and cutting them into the right size for your customers. Usually, it would take a long time and a lot of space for restaurants to process. But now, with a cloud kitchen, all of this can be done with one facility and transport to different kitchens. Each of these restaurants requires staff to have a food preparation area where they can process these raw materials. How they operate is they will buy raw material from several local markets where cost and quality might be different from one another. Some of your kitchens are getting too small as your customer base are growing and there might be new operation incomes by online selling and to-go orders. But your space is limited and you cannot expand your business in that specific restaurant. A lot of our customers are owners for 4 to 5 local restaurants in the same city, or they might have 4 to 5 different bakery shops in the same city. On the next episode, we'll show you how to set up your own cloud kitchen and what are some things to keep in reminder while setting it up. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.